Hey guys, Aaron here for The Love of Tech, and this video has been a long time coming. This little guy has been sitting in my studio for about 2 weeks, so I am sorry, just getting around to it now. I definitely have missed the wave of unveiling and unboxings. However, Beats Fit Pro, I have opinions and I want to share them with you. So when I think of Beats Pro, I have to ask myself, what is making this a pro device? Now, I know we're here for an unboxing, and we're going to get into that in just a second, but these have a active noise cancellation, which seems to be the new standard when we're throwing the word pro around these days. However, this little guy here, right here, does not have active noise cancellation, and these are also Beat Wireless Pros of some sort, sport, I don't know. This box, this case it's huge, it's tremendous. Look at this, it's almost the whole size of this whole entire box. These things are big, these things are clunky. Nobody likes these, nobody needs these. I thought they sounded great, they fit pretty stellar. However, no active noise cancellation, something to remember. Now, looking at these are the Beats Studio Buds. Now, these don't have Pro in them, but they're Beats Studio Buds, and they do have the active noise cancellation, and it's just a little bit of a hint of noise cancellation to where you know there's still sound out and about around you, you just can't hear it really well. It does a good job of muffling it or drowning it out, so it either gives you a white noise or it allows you an opportunity to listen to your music in peace. Enters the Beats Fit Pro. We have these guys right here, this normal, super, very expected, predictable box from Beats or Apple now, if you will. That's who's making this, Apple. Go ahead and let's just get into this and see what we're actually working with here. If you need another reminder that Beats is now Apple, they even have the same pull tags, and I'm pretty sure they've been like that for a while. So go ahead and just pull it, and let's open her up and let's get a look-see-loo inside and see what we have. Okay. I ripped it. Oh no! Not another big, ugly, clunky case. Why? Why? It's so stupid. Pulling it together. So here we have another big stupid case from Beats Buds, right? Or Apple, I don't know. I don't really care these days. So this giant clamshell is, in my opinion, just unnecessary. It's an inconvenience. It doesn't fit well in the pocket. It does not travel well. Those are all of the cons. And now they've taken it and they've shrunken it, mainly because I think they've gotten rid of the wingtips. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So go ahead and look, and you can see they've gotten rid of the big giant over the ear wingtip things, and now they've just got the in the ear ones, which I think are great. I think that this is going to be a new look, a new feel, and I'm excited to try them out. I think the only way to look at it is a little comparison, the old versus the new. So let's go take a little look-see-loo here. So new versus old. So is there a difference? Yeah, I think there's like a big difference, big enough to forgive the ugly clamshell design again now that they're sitting side by side. Maybe I was a little harsh in the beginning. Maybe I wasn't. Either way, let's go ahead and finish the unboxing and see what we got. So this is what is in the box for us. We've got a USB-C to USB-C, some ear tips, some booklets and music, whatnot. It says here I'm getting stuffed in for free, and I got a Beats sticker. So woohoo! That is everything in the box. Very, very predictable. Not really disappointed, not overly excited. It's kind of what you expect. But now let's get into the goodness, set this aside, and get to my favorite part of a new audio device with Apple, and that is watching the Apple magic happen on my iPhone. So give me one moment.
A few moments later.
All right, just to go ahead and review really quick before we get these bad boys paired up. These are the Beats Fit Pro. This is the Sage Gray model, if you will. They're on sale $199 on apple.com. Go ahead and check them out. I haven't used them yet, but I'm excited to use them right here live with you for the very, very first time. So let's go ahead and open these up, get that Apple magic going. Here we go. Ooh, ooh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Connect. Boom, connecting. There it is, man. Super awesome. Media control, press 1 on either earbud, skip twice, forward 3 times, blah, blah, blah. Push and hold either earbud to switch between active noise cancellation and transparency. Okay, control center, there we go. You gotta push and hold just like before, nothing new there. And our case is at 56% and our buds are at 92%. So the important thing here is you have up to 6 hours of listening time with 18 additional hours provided by the pocket-sized charger, which is what you have here. And that is actually a pretty good time. So you can go ahead and get 6 hours of listening and then add additional 18 hours for a total of 24 hours of listening time, which is not bad at all. But without further ado, I want to go ahead and listen to these things and kind of see, how do they feel? How do they sound? Is this something that I can use as a daily device? It's said that they're so comfortable that I can go ahead and wear these all day long. That is a big claim, to walk around with these things plugged into my ears. I don't know if I would want to. I don't know who would, but it said that they could. I don't know. I don't. Oh my. Okay. That's interesting. Go ahead and get some music going.
One eternity later.
A quick little test drive that I just did with you guys here. Thank you. These things, they fit okay. Can I wear them all day? I don't know. I just opened them up right now today. But what I will do is take them, test them, come back and provide you guys a full review. Do's and don'ts, likes, don't likes, all that good stuff. Guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video and you want to see more content like this, or you want to see more of me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to drop me a thumbs up and a comment. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.